Hi, so welcome back to my channel. So as I was talking about keyframes, keyframes, I'll talk more about keyframes, and I made a website like with the help of AI, of course, about the example of keyframe. Okay, wait, let me just wear the specs. I will look more serious. Yeah, so I can see better also. What is keyframe? Keyframe is at the rate keyframe. Animation name 0% to 100%. We have already talked about. But actually, what is keyframe? Keyframe defines how an element should change. It's like a supreme leader of the universe who will decide every change. Like, you know, you can't change without keyframes in CSS, and otherwise your website will be a railway website. You know what I mean. Like only HTML website. You know, but keyframe is at the rate keyframe, all small letter. Okay. So what does this keyframe do? It creates camera depth, perspective. It rotates X and Z, tilts the maze into 3D view. It translates Z. You know, there are three dimensions, right? X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. It tilts the maze. It's like Mother Nature kind of thing. The reality perspective is changed, You get the logic. It's box shadow. Also in the upcoming clip, you will see how a box shadow can create a 3D maze with moving ball animation. Okay, I'll show you the web page I built. Obviously, I just put the framework, and AI did the rest of the thing. But I will show you the code of the framework that actually helps from a railway website to a CSS website, okay, to a modern website. You get the logic? Yeah, it's all in the framework. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the final result. There is a red ball, let's say a sun, okay, it's just trapped in a 3D maze loop. So let's go back to the code where this thing is blocked, okay. I already uploaded it on my GitHub. You can find it. So these are all the normal styling techniques. The this These are all normal styling techniques. This is the main framework. I'll explain the code, okay? So within a keyframe is a Z dimension, okay? It's a 3D dimension. There is a spin, okay? Spin is a function, and the function is rotating X to Z, X to Z, X to Z, okay? And the maze is a position which is relative. Get the logic? Width, height, transform style, preserve 3D. And this is a floor. Basically, it's a X dimension of the code. You get the logic? And this is the wall. This is the X dimension also. So these are the four X dimension codes. It's not that important. But the important point is at the red keyframes spin. Transform X Z. Transform X Z. This is what's happening. The result is very obvious. I showed you the sun, the red ball, sorry. The red ball is trapped in a nature loop. It cannot escape. Oh, and the framework code is this. So I think I have made myself clear of how things work. Also, never forget the colors, okay? At the rate keyframes panes. Hmm? From to. Get the logic? Uh, that's it. That's it for today. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye bye.